Travels with Roy Wyss.
Artificial intelligence is already changing our phones, our cars, and even the way we plan our holidays. But will AI find a useful place inside the caravans of the future? Or will it simply become another expensive gadget waiting to go wrong? Look, and imagine a caravan that warns you about a developing wheel bearing problem, identifies exactly which brakes has low voltage, manage your battery power, and even tells you when your weight distribution may be unsafe. That future may be closer than you think. Look, I'm Roy Wyss, and after more than 25 years of designing, manufacturing, selling and servicing caravans, I've seen plenty of new technology arrive with enormous promises. Look, some of it genuinely improved caravanning, some of it created more problems than it solved. So today, let's look at where artificial intelligence could genuinely improve future caravan designs and where I believe we need to be extremely careful. When we talk about artificial intelligence in a caravan, I'm not suggesting your caravan will suddenly start thinking for itself or holding a conversation with you around the campfire. Well, that's possible. Although considering some of the travelling companions I had, that might be not such a bad idea. Look, in practical terms, AI could take information from sensors positioned throughout the caravan, recognise patterns and warn you when something doesn't look right. Traditional monitoring systems tell you what is happening now. An intelligence system could potentially tell you what is likely to happen next. And that's the difference which could transform caravan safety reliably and in comfort. One of the most valuable applications could be predictive maintenance. Most caravan problems don't suddenly appear without warning. Wheel bearings heat up, tyres gradually lose pressure, electrical connections develop resistance. Batteries change their charging behaviour, and brakes begin drawing unusual amounts of current. And the problem is that the owner doesn't often recognise those early warning signs. Look, an AI-based monitoring system could consistently compare the behaviour of each component against its normal operating pattern. And that might warn you if your left rear wheel bearing is running hotter than normal, your front right brake is receiving lower voltage, your battery is, taking longer to charge than it did 3 months ago, or your water pump is cycling more frequently, which could indicate a small leak. And that will allow the owner to investigate a problem before it becomes a breakdown or potentially a serious accident. We're already seeing more sophisticated caravan systems with building diagnostics. AI could take that much further by identifying changes over time rather than waiting for something to fail completely. AI could also have an important role in towing safely. Modern caravans can already be fitted with electronic stability control, anti-lock braking, tire pressure monitoring, and advanced suspension systems. But imagine combining all that information into one intelligent safety system. Look, it could monitor caravan movement and sway, individual wheel speeds, brake temperature and volt, tyre pressure and temperature, suspension, load, wind conditions, road surface speed and steering behaviour. The system could recognise the early stages of instability before the driver feels it through the tow vehicle, and it might even warn you to slow down because of a strong crosswind. It could identify uneven loading between the left and right sides or detect your towing behaviour has changed because you're becoming tired. And most importantly, it could explain the warning in plain language rather than simply showing another flashing red light. It could say, your caravan is repeatedly moving sideways above 90 kilometers per hour. Reduce speed and check your weight distribution. And that is far more useful given an owner a fault code that they don't understand. But I would still want the driver to remain responsible. AI should assist the driver, not encourage them to believe technology can overcome poor loading, excessive speed, or an unsuitable tow vehicle. Now we've got weight and load management. Incorrect caravan loading remains one of the biggest safety concerns in our industry. Future caravans could have load sensors built into the chassis, suspension, coupling and storage areas. An intelligent system could calculate the caravan's estimated total weight, the load carried by each wheel, the left to right balance, the tow ball weight, the remaining payload, and whether caravan items are positioned safely. That's before you even leave. The system might say your caravan is within the total weight limits, but the right-hand side is carrying 85 kilos more than the left. Or your tow ball weight has fallen since the rear storage compartment was loaded. And that information could prevent many dangerous towing combinations. However, it would need to be accurate, properly calibrated and clearly explained. An incorrect weight reading could be more dangerous than having no reading at all. And then, of course, we've got power management. As caravans move towards larger lithium systems, more solar panels, induction cooking, and higher voltage electrical systems, managing power is becoming increasingly complicated. AI could study how each owner uses electricity. It could learn when you normally cook and how often you use the air conditioner, how much more solar power is typically available, and how much energy you need to remain overnight. And look, it might tell you, at your current power usage, the batteries will reach 20% by 3 o'clock tomorrow morning. It could then suggest reducing the air conditioning settings, delay the hot water cycling, or charging certain appliances while solar production is strongest. You can also consider tomorrow's weather forecast. If several cloudy days are approaching, it could recommend conserving power early rather than waiting until the batteries are completely empty. And that would be particularly valuable for people camping remotely or staying off-grid for extended periods. And then, of course, we have water management. Water is just as important as electricity when you're traveling away from caravan parks. An intelligent water management system could learn your normal consumption and estimate how many days your supply will last. It could detect unusual usage, identify possible leaks, and recommend when to refill. For example, at your current consumption, your drinking water tank will last approximately 4 days. Or your water usage increased while all taps were turned off. Please check for a leak. Now, combined with water quality sensors, it may eventually warn owners if tank water requires treatment or filtration. Now, again, the real benefits is not artificial intelligence for the sake of it. The benefit is helping people stay safer and more self-sufficient. We've also got comfort and climate control. But AI could also manage the comfort inside a caravan. It could automatically balance ventilation, heating, and air conditioning based on temperature, humidity, battery capacity, and whether everyone is inside. And if the caravan is becoming hot while the pets are inside, it could send an urgent alert to your phone. It might close blinds on the sunny side, activate ventilation before using air conditioner, and reduce unnecessary energy consumption. So for travellers with health conditions, intelligent monitoring could also help maintain a safer and more consistent environment. But there must always be a straightforward manual control. Nobody should need an internet connection, a smartphone application, and 3 different passwords simply to turn on the lights or adjust the air conditioner. Now, security. Security is another obvious application. Future systems could distinguish between normal movement around a campsite and suspicious activity near the caravan. Cameras may be able to identify people, vehicles, or animals without continually sending false alarms every time a tree moves in the wind. The system could warn you if a storage hatch is open, the caravan begins moving unexpectedly, or someone attempts to interfere with the coupling. However, this brings us to one of the biggest concerns: privacy. So who owns the information collected by your caravan and where is it stored? Can the manufacturer see your location? Could your travel information be sold to another company? And what happens when the caravan is sold to the next owner? These questions must be answered before intelligent monitoring becomes standard equipment. Look, AI in caravan designs and manufacturing. Well, AI could influence how caravans are designed as well. Manufacturers could use computer modeling to analyze chassis stresses, weight distribution, aerodynamics, thermal performance, and the placement of major components. That can produce stronger and lighter caravans while reducing unnecessary material. AI may also help manufacturers study warranty claims and identify repeated problems. If one particular fitting, wire connection, or plumbing point is failing across multiple caravans, the manufacturer could discover the pattern much earlier. But AI should support experienced designers, engineers, and tradespeople, not replace them. And a computer can analyze an enormous amount of information, but it doesn't necessarily understand what it's like to repair a caravan beside a dusty road hundreds of kilometres from the nearest service centre. That practical experience still matters. But there are risks, and there are some serious risks we need to consider. The first is unnecessary complexity. Every additional sensor control module and wireless connection introduce another potential point of failure. And the second is planned obsolescence. A caravan may remain on the road for 20 or 30 years, but what happens if the company supporting its software disappears after 5 years? And of course, the third is cybersecurity. If caravan systems can be controlled remotely, they must be protected against unauthorized access. The fourth is over-dependence. Look, owners should still understand basic towing safety, battery management, tire pressures, loading, and maintenance. AI must not become an excuse to stop learning. And finally, there is repairability. A caravan travelling through regional Australia needs systems that can still be operated when there is no internet connection and no nearby specialist technician. And for me, that's essential function should have a manual override. A simple local control, clear fault information, continued operation without internet access, replacement components available for many years. And if a failed touchscreen prevents you from turning on the water pump, that isn't intelligent design. Look, in my opinion, so with artificial intelligence, find a place in future caravan designs. I believe it absolutely will. Used properly, it could make caravans safer, more reliable, more energy efficient, and much easier to manage. Its greatest value won't be in gimmicks and voice-controlled cupboard doors. It will be identifying, developing faults, improve weight management, distribution, monitoring critical safety systems, and helping owners make better decisions. But manufacturers must remember one important principle. Technology should simplify caravan, not complicate it. The best AI system will be one working quietly in the background, warning when something genuinely requires attention while allowing you to remain in control. Because when you're a long way from home, intelligent technology can be valuable, but simple, dependable engineering will always be essential. And I'd like to know what you think. Would you trust AI systems to manage your caravan power, water, weight, safety systems? Or do you believe caravans are already becoming way too complicated? Look, tell me in the comments, because I think the discussion will become increasingly important over the next few years. If you find this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Travels with Roy Wyss and share it with other caravan owners. I'm Roy Wyss, helping you avoid expensive mistakes and buy the right caravan the first time. I'll see you in the next video.
Roy Wyss.